Hi Mike, it's Zurab here at Fast Motors, taking this video especially for you of this amazing Dyna, which is a 2017 Dyna Street Bob with only... So I rode the bike, it's a little bit higher mileage now. Let's see what's exact reading on it. 3,500 kilometers. The bike rides just perfect. And here we go, I'm gonna start it first. It has an ABS, S&S air intake, Bassani Road Rage 3 aftermarket foot packs, the 490 series dynamic suspension. This is San Diego style bars, wires through it, the Harley custom, very comfortable grips. All the lights are upgraded to LEDs. It has a power commander as well. Rides just perfect again. I rode it myself. I put about 600 kilometers on it and it's in excellent condition. If you have any questions regarding this motorcycle, please call me back at 905-660-2901. My extension is 212 and I'll be more than happy to assist you. It does have this Stadelman step-up seat. It's also all customized and everything is done like perfectly professionally on it too. So please let me know.